It's Maddie. I am so happy to be vlogging again today. I missed you guys. Today's Tuesday. We're just coming off of Labor Day weekend, and I took all of last week off from filming because I was recovering from my wisdom teeth removal surgery, so it was definitely a rough week. Yeah, it was a pretty painful recovery, and I'm still not back at 100%, so if I'm talking a little weird, my jaw is still pretty sore, so I'm kind of still in recovery mode, but I'm definitely feeling so much better today. I have more energy, and I just wanted to vlog and chat with you guys, so I thought I would vlog a little day in my life. I honestly don't have that much planned today. I have some errands to run later this afternoon, but that's really it. I'm probably gonna be home most of the day, but I just missed talking to you guys. So I do have a little mini haul to show you guys to kick off this vlog. You guys know I like including little mini try-on hauls in my vlogs. So today's video is sponsored by thredUP. So I'm gonna try on some pieces that I found on there. I've talked about thredUP before, and I absolutely love working with them. They are an amazing company. If you guys are unfamiliar with thredUP, they are the world's largest online thrift store. So they carry secondhand items from all of your favorite brands. I have some stuff to show you guys from Free People, Wild Fox, Zara, H&M, and everything on their website is up to 90% off the estimated retail price. Shopping secondhand is one of the best things you could do because not only are you saving money, but you're also saving the environment. Fashion is one of the most pollutive industries, so thrifting and buying things secondhand is definitely the most sustainable way to shop. So I'm gonna try on some pieces for you guys, and if you want to check out thredUP for yourselves, they are offering a special discount code for you guys to save 30% off your first order. Just click the link in the description box below and use my code to save 30% off. Okay, so as we are in September now, I got a lot of fall pieces in this haul, lots of sweaters, just ready for the weather to get cooler. So this first item is a Free People sweater. It is literally the softest thing I've ever touched. It feels like I'm wearing a blanket, and it's also so cute. It's just striped and it's oversized and just the coziest thing to throw on with jeans or leggings. My favorite way to shop on thredUP's website is to search my favorite brands. So I always make sure to check out Free People because they always have so many items that are in amazing condition. The estimated retail price of this, get ready, is crazy. It's originally $198 and I got it for $61.99 on thredUP. This next piece is another Free People sweater. It's this purple little cropped cardigan. This one might be my favorite that I got, and it came with the tags still attached, so it's in perfect condition. The original estimated retail price was $168 and I got it for $136, and it's literally brand new, tags attached. I can't wait to style this just with jeans or with biker shorts like this for like a summer to fall transition outfit. Next item is this H&M sweater. This is like the perfect basic for fall. It's such a staple. It's just this like charcoal gray pullover sweater. I think it looks cute just paired with baggy jeans like I have it, and also on a chillier day you can easily throw a jacket over this, and there's just so many ways to style this. The estimated retail price of this was $25 and I got it for only $9.99. Next item I got is this little crop top. Definitely more of a summer piece, but I also thought this would be really cute with like a black oversized leather jacket thrown on top of it. So this is originally from Zara. It's just this green crop top. It says Paris, France on it. It has the little Eiffel Tower. Also, this was only $10 on thredUP, so really cute find. Also, I got a pair of sunglasses. I always make sure to check out the designer section on thredUP because I have found some really great designer pieces that are in amazing condition for great prices. So here they are. I have been wanting a pair of like 2000s style sunglasses for a while now, and these Ferragamo ones are incredible. The estimated retail price of these was $250 and I got them for $152.99, and they are almost like brand new. There's no scratches on them. It came with the case. Next item is just this super basic black long sleeve. It's from H&M, and I just thought this was like a staple to have. It's a great layering piece. I just figured I would get a lot of use out of this. And the estimated retail price of this was $25 and I got it for $9.99. Last item I have to show you is this Wild Fox sweater. I have wanted this exact sweater from Wild Fox for so long. The estimated retail price of this is $142 and I just could never justify paying that much for this sweater. But on thredUP, I got it for $92, which I felt much better about, and it's basically like in brand new condition. It's still so soft. So I'm so excited to finally own this, and it's just so nice for lounging around the house. I love it. That is everything I have to show you for this haul. thredUP is really just the best way to shop. It's better for your wallet, better for the environment, and they just make thrifting so easy. Once again, if you guys want to check out thredUP, you can click the link in the description box and use my code to save 30% off your first order. Okay guys, I picked up a matcha. I am trying to limit myself to only 1 cup of coffee a day. I feel like when I was in college, I got into the habit of having like 2 to 3 cups a day, and it's just not good. I feel like 1 cup wakes me up, but then anything after that just like makes me more tired and gives me headaches. So we're sticking to matcha for the rest of the day. I just got to Trader Joe's. I'm going to pick up some groceries. I still can only eat like soft foods, so I've been eating so much pasta, mashed potatoes, soup, oatmeal, so still only eating that kind of stuff. But I want to get some like fruits and vegetables that I can steam to soften up, and I don't know exactly what I'm gonna get. It's kind of hard to grocery shop right now because of my teeth, but yeah, I'm gonna pick up a few things. Okay, gonna do a little Trader Joe's haul. I didn't get too much, but like I said, I just wanted to get some softer foods other than pasta and mashed potatoes, since that's all I've been eating. So I got some strawberries, mushrooms, broccoli, which isn't like the softest thing ever, but I can steam this and just put like lemon juice over it and it'll be really good and definitely edible for me. Some green beans, this riced cauliflower, which I've never really had, but I figured it's like all crushed up into little pieces, so that would be good. A sweet potato, bananas, lemons and limes, avocados, yogurt, mozzarella, parmesan, some eggs. I got salmon because this is definitely very easy to eat right now. Just got some orange peach mango juice and some oat milk. Got frozen raspberries and frozen mango to make smoothies with. These I thought would be perfect. They're little like applesauce with mango snacks. I don't really know. I got a few breakfast items because I'm kind of getting sick of having yogurt or oatmeal every single morning. So I got these gluten-free waffles, which I have tried before, and they're actually so good. I don't like specifically eat gluten-free or anything, but they genuinely just taste so good. And then I also got this buttermilk protein pancake mix. I'm trying to add more protein to my diet because I don't get enough of it, and I thought these could be interesting to try. And then lastly, I just got another pack of my black tea that I've been liking a lot. So also forgot I got some ice cream. So I got this mango sorbet and this cookies and cream ice cream because I've been eating so much ice cream lately. The cold really like feels nice on my teeth. So yeah, that's it. Hi guys, I just got out of an appointment at an eye doctor, and I've like never seen an eye doctor before. I've never worn glasses before, but lately I've just been getting really bad eye strain, like when I'm looking at my computer for too long, like editing, and like just my far away vision was like kind of blurrier than normal. And I've also been getting really bad headaches like around my eye area. So I wanted to go to an eye doctor, and they gave me like a really light prescription glasses, so I don't have to wear them like all the time. I just wear them when I'm like straining my eyes a lot, so like staring at a screen, driving at night, etc. So these are the ones I got. How do I look? I have never worn glasses in my entire life. I don't know if anyone can relate to this, but when I was little, I like wanted to need glasses so bad. Like I wanted my eyes to get bad so I could have glasses, and now I have them. So what do we think? Just went with a very basic black frame. I got them kind of like bigger, and I think they're cute. Definitely have to get used to them, but luckily I don't have to wear them too much. So yeah, but this is my new look. I am on my computer doing some planning for a video I'm gonna film soon, so I thought I would show you guys kind of the planning process. Wearing my new glasses because I'm on the computer. Basically, I'm gonna be filming an outfits like styling video soon, so it's gonna be like a week's worth of fall outfits. I've been on Pinterest a lot, just getting inspo, so if you guys care to check out my Pinterest, I always have it linked in all my videos, but this is my like fall fashion board, so I've been getting inspiration from this. And then I have a document on Adobe InDesign that I started that I am putting together each outfit, so I'm like screenshotting items that I just bought recently or that I already had in my closet, and I'm just putting the outfits together. So I'm gonna do 7, and this just helps me like visualize them, and I'm gonna add like the accessories and everything too, so I can see head to toe like what each outfit looks like and make sure I have a good variety of them. So that is what I'm currently working on. Got back from spending some time outside reading on my Kindle. I started a new book. It's called The Last Flight. It's by Julie Clark. It's supposed to be like a thriller. I've heard good things, so I've been off my reading game lately, so gotta get back on it. But I decided to sit outside because it's a really nice evening out. It's getting like chillier at night, so it's making it feel like fall vibes. And I just have this really pretty courtyard in my apartment building that I don't really take advantage of enough, so I'm trying to use it more. Yeah, that was really nice. I'm gonna take a shower now. I'm washing my hair. Hi. Why do you look like that? Hello. People ask for more of you in the vlogs. You're very not camera shy. I've been really liking this vanishing oil from Living Proof. It's like anti-frizz. Obviously it's a hair oil, but I like it because sometimes hair oils make my hair look really oily and like weigh it down. I do have like hair on the drier side, so if you have more oily hair, this might not work for you, but I've been really liking just applying a few drops of this to the ends of my hair. I feel like it's made it feel healthier without making it look oily at all. So just take this little dropper, put a few drops in my hands, warm it up, and then I just apply it to the ends of my hair. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you want to check out ThredUp, be sure to click the link in the description and use the code MADDIEC to save 30% off your first order. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see from me, and I will see you all very soon in another new video. Bye.